In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly bulk update product prices in your Shopify store by utilizing a flat file, also known as a CSV file. This powerful feature is built into Shopify and allows for efficient management of product pricing across your store. Whether you're prepping for a sale or just need to adjust pricing on multiple products, this method is both effective and straightforward. Firstly, let's dive into exporting your current product data. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once there, head over to the Products section. Here, you'll find the option to export your products. You can choose to export either all your products or just a specific selection, depending on your needs. Ensure you select the CSV file format and then initiate the export process by clicking on Export Products. This set of instructions will help pull out your current pricing details for editing. Next comes the preparation of your CSV file. Open the exported CSV file in a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. You'll need to locate the variant price column, as this is where all your pricing data is stored. Carefully update the prices as necessary, making sure to leave the other columns unchanged unless there is a specific need. Maintaining the integrity of the data in the other columns is crucial to ensuring product information remains accurate during the update process. Once you're satisfied with your updates, it's time to import the modified CSV file back into Shopify. Again, return to the Products section in your Shopify admin. Click on Import and then select Add File. Here, you'll choose your updated CSV file. For an additional option, consider checking overwrite products with matching handles if you want, ensuring updated data replaces existing product information. After reviewing all your changes, click on Upload and Continue. Finally, complete the process by clicking on Import Products. For those with smaller or more frequent pricing adjustments, Shopify's bulk editor is a fantastic alternative to using CSV files. In your Shopify admin, go back to the Products section and select the specific items you want to update. Click on Edit Products to enter the bulk editor mode. Here, adding the necessary price fields is simple. Click on Columns and choose to display the price field alongside any others you deem relevant. Input your revised prices directly into the cells, and just like that, you're ready to click Save to apply all your changes. This tool is excellent for making quick updates without dealing with file imports and exports. Both of these methods offer a streamlined approach to updating product prices in bulk, each with its own set of advantages. The CSV method is perfect for larger changes, while the bulk editor is ideal for swift, on-the-go adjustments. It's all about what best suits your workflow and needs.